Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to recover unsaved Word document in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, you are typing something in Microsoft Word and you had forget to save that particular word, or you by mistakenly you didn't save it and you are looking for that particular Word document. So in this video I will share with you how you can recover that. For that, open your Microsoft Word and then I'm going to choose a blank document. For example, I had typed this text and then I forget to save it. I just close it and I made it don't save, and I had by accidentally or I forget to save it, and I would like to return or resave that particular Word document. So what you can do for that, open your Microsoft Word application and then you will see there will be screen appear here. Choose a blank document and in your keyboard press on Ctrl U and then you will see there will be a new screen appear here, and under you will find something called recover unsaved documents. Simply choose that and here you will see there will be a bunch of lists will appear which has you previously didn't save the Word document unsaved folder. So you can easily choose that particular recently. You can see this is the date modified and this is the recently I had closed, so you can easily open that and then you can easily click open and it's going to be open in your Microsoft Word, and you can easily save as. You can easily choose your targeted location and you can easily save it. So this is a way you can easily save. If you forget any Microsoft Word document you didn't save, you can easily follow this trick and you can easily recover your recently accidentally closed Word document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.